Sup guys, in this video I'm going to show you the basic of Capcut in just few minutes. Before we start, maybe you can hit the like button and check the description if you want to learn more about Capcut. So let's start. So first, what is Capcut? Capcut is basically a video editing software similar like Premiere Pro and other digital video editing software. So basically here in the screen we can see is the workplace of Capcut, and I will show you by different category. I will list the category one by one. So first of all, we have the top menu bar of the Capcut. In this menu bar, we can first open project and import raw material and others. So basically we are mostly using just to import our project from previous project, and we can import into Capcut to start our job. And at here, the top left corner, we have our media bar. So basically media bar, first we have our raw material here at the media, and basically you can search for other places such as library for extracting your raw material. So basically this is the media, and for audio you can have free copyright sound. This one is included in Capcut software. So basically you can use the sound are included in Capcut. Later I'll show this on, or maybe you can just bring your own sound. For example, this one I have one sound, one photo and one video. Later I will show you how to put this in our program line. So next we will have our text column. So basically this one in Capcut, it has the advantage to generate auto caption. So for example, you have your video, and for this video you have your own sound, own voice that included text. It will help to auto generate the caption. So for example, I will show you for my past project. Hold on. So basically this is my past project, and if you want to generate, you just press auto caption and choose your preferred language. For example, for mine is English. If you are making Chinese video, you can choose Chinese and you can just create, and basically it will help to generate the caption by its own. And the caption, you can manipulate its size, animation and others. Later I will show on how to manipulate the size, how the animation works. And for the font, maybe the font you want to have a background, glowing effect, or even stroke to make your font look more nicer. Later I will show step by step. And next we will have the sticker. So for the sticker, this one is the custom sticker already included in Capcut. So basically you can just use this one and just put it, drag into your timeline, and it will have the sticker, and you can manipulate for its size, scale and animation. How does the sticker move in, move out? For example, I can choose I want the sticker to bounce in.
Hey guys.
So basically the sticker will bounce in, and you can manipulate how long does the sticker bounce in the duration tab. So basically let me show you. So you can see the sticker bounce in with the duration of 0.5 seconds of animation. So basically this is for our sticker tab. And next we will have our effect. This effect, maybe the effect will mostly implement on videos, on graphics. For example, let me show you this one. I have, sorry. Okay, so let me clear this off. So basically for this effects, you can use the effect and put drag on top on the video, so or the image. So basically you can adjust the animation. For example, you can see this one, I don't know what effect, but this one is the effect. And for the effect, you can manipulate the effect by editing. Press right click, editing the effect, and you can make the flicker effect to have included all of the video, or maybe the opening of the video. So next we'll have our transition tab. So basically transition is put in the middle of two transition means you want to jump from the first video to the second video. So you basically can just pull and drag into the video. Okay, so basically you can have the effect. You can see, but this one is quite slow, quite fast. I can make this one. You can check. So basically this is the white effect, and basically you can try up. You can have many kinds of effect. You can see camera effect, blur effect, this one for example. Okay, hey guys, so basically this is the effect, and that's all for effect. You can try it out yourself. And next we have our filter. Filter is also same like effect, but it's implement on top of the image or video. You can check. So basically you can see it implement the filter, and you can adjust the filter at here. This one we call the adjustment tab. Everything can be adjusted here. For example, text, what text you are using, or font, or even video, animation, everything has to be adjusted here, including the color contrast of the video. So basically, let me show you how to adjust for the color. For the last step here, you have the adjustment tab. So basically, this custom adjustment tab is mostly used for color adjustment. For example, let me drag to my photo. Okay, so you can see here, this one you can adjust the color. For example, you can focus on our player media here. So for example, I adjust, the mostly adjusted is the brightness and contrast. You can check. So basically, you can make the brightness, the contrast of the photo, and you can also put this as a layer on top, so all of your video can be adjusted based on your preference. So basically, this is the media tab. So next we will have our player tab. So player tab basically shows the final what you have adjust in the video. This one will basically you can see at here. And for example, you want to change the size of your player, you can press here. I am using 16:9 as this is the most suitable ratio for YouTube video. If you are using shorts, you can choose for 9:16. This one is long form video. Short form video. And basically you can adjust your media here like this to fulfill the short form video, horizontal video. And next, if you want to change your shortcut of the keyboard, so basically you can change at here. Okay, so basically this is for the media. And if you want to check your video in full screen, you can press this one. It will bring towards you the full screen, and you can like edit your video, have a more professional transition or color effect, and you can see clearly if you open in full screen. So next we will have our adjustment tab. So basically like what I say, this adjustment tab mostly used to adjust all kinds of adjustments such as text. For example, for this one, text. So basically, let me change this back. So basically, this is my auto generate caption. You can adjust this font size, font. For example, you want to choose other types of font, you can choose, and it will change the font. And this you can apply to all, means all the font are included will be changed in font or even font size, color, and others. So basically this is convenient to you. And for the caption, you can check the caption one by one. So basically, second method you can choose for effect. So it will pop up for the caption, and you can adjust the caption manually. Sometimes the Capcut, they shows the caption is not is slightly different compared to your voiceover. So maybe you can adjust your caption at the timeline like this based on your voiceover. This one you can go through yourself. And also we can adjust for the text. like I mentioned, you can adjust for animation. For example, this one, this effect you can, and you can see have animation at your text. So basically this is for the text effect. And for photo wise, you also can adjust the animation, video, the color, everything, noise reduction, anything that are relevant to adjustment, you can adjust here. Photo, video, color, and even text. Always everything you can adjust at this adjustment tab. And lastly at the bottom you have your workstation player media. So basically this one you can edit your video based on what you want. So for example, you want to make multi video layer. For example, I take a sticker, so you can put the sticker on top of your video. So anything on the top will show first, then followed by what at the bottom. And if you want to check your video properly, you can press the sidebar. Everything can be played. So basically this is what we use at the player bar. And you also can crop your video by pressing this button, or even you can customize your hotkey at here, like just what I mentioned just now. You can just split, okay, and this one also can split. Or you want to undo your work, you can just press this one, undo. So next, you can find out this one. Every key or tools, they have their own function, mostly related to the player bar. For example, this one, you want to see your video, maybe your video is very long, you can adjust this one to have more convenient look at your video. And also this one, we can also use hotkey to zoom in, zoom out for your video. And if you want to have a voiceover onto your video, you can press this one. You can record your video using your microphone as voiceover, so that you can like play your video and then you can voice over directly towards your video. So basically, this one I won't show you. You can try out yourself. You can just press this one, record, and then you can just record your video. So basically that's all for Capcut. Basically Capcut compared to Premiere Pro, Capcut is more easy to learn for beginners. You can start editing some videos. First, maybe some videos to have 3 layer, 4 layer, or even text animation video. You can start from that and you can master Capcut. I think just for one or two times you can familiar with Capcut. So basically that's all from today's video. If you like this kind of video, you can just subscribe or even like for this video. Thanks. See you next time.